If fast charging is not working on your Samsung device, then let us see what to do. The first thing that you will do is, if you see this USB-C port, what you do is put a small needle or a toothpick and gently move inside this USB-C port and check if there is any dirt inside it. So remove the dirt and check if the fast charging will start working or not. The other thing is, make sure that this USB-C cable which you are using for fast charging, it is genuine, and check if the USB-C cable is defective or not. Also, the fast charging adapter which you are using, if it is genuine, if it is of Samsung, then it is better. Also, use at least 25 watt of fast charger or more than that, what is recommended for your phone. And the other thing that you will do is, you will go to settings here, then go to this option battery, go to this option charging settings, and make sure that this option fast charging is enabled. And also, if you are using wireless charging, enable this option fast wireless charging. Now the last thing that you will do is, you will go to this members application, go to diagnostics, go to phone diagnostics, and carry out the test. Now once the test is complete, go to this option battery status and make sure that the battery life is good. If the battery life is not good, then the battery might not be functioning properly, due to which fast charging is not working. So do all of these things and hopefully the fast charging will work in your phone.